Strange facts you never knew.
Dolphins are the most cruel and sinister animals in the animal world. They actively attack sharks without any reason. They also kill a lot of other species, but not for eating, but just for entertainment and see it as a sport to entertain. Not only other species, but even their own kinds are victims. When it comes to the mating season, the males will go into groups with dozens of them to chase a female and attack the female until she's exhausted. Then together, they will swarm their more feared victims. There is a pairing called juvenile juggling. In this habit, male dolphins will use great force to toss baby dolphins into the air, causing them to die from severe injuries. It's understandable that male dolphins can be so ruthless because they can't determine which is their baby dolphins. They're also very playful species. They know that eating pufferfish will be fatal. A small amount of puffer's venom causes hallucination and emotional upheaval, so dolphins often gathered with their homie brothers to inhale puffer's venom and get in high spirits.